Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a sunflower door hanger that is truly one of my favorite DIYs to date. You're going to need an 8-inch embroidery hoop, some yellow fabric, some brown fabric, and some burlap. And then we did end up using some pearls and wooden beads. I simply traced my 8-inch embroidery hoop on some cardboard, and we're cutting that out because that's going to be used for the center of our sunflower. For the petals, we are using this yellow and white polka dot fabric. I am making each of my strips about 2 inches wide, and then I am simply ripping the fabric into strips. You can see here that once you have your fabric in strips, I am now cutting it down to 12 inches in length. Once you have your strips, you're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half lengthwise again and cut a tapered edge at the top. This is going to create our pointed edges that we want on the ends of our sunflower petals. Once you have all of your pieces cut, we're going to wrap them around our embroidery hoop. We're going to fold each of our pieces in half and then pull them through the loop, and this is going to create all of the petals on our sunflower. Once you're done with your sunflower petals, now we're going to take the cardboard piece that we cut originally and we are going to just glue some burlap around it. I glued it about halfway around, and then I used some polyfill to fill the inside of it so it gives it a little bit of dimension and making the center of the sunflower. Once you have it all stuffed to your liking, just finish gluing the burlap around the edge and then trim as needed. Now we're going to take it and just adhere it to the front of our sunflower. We're just going to use hot glue to put it all around the edge and get it adhered very good. Lastly, I am making a edging around the burlap centerpiece that we have, and I really wanted to go with something a little bit farmhouse glam style. That's just my style. So I used the wooden beads and then alternated with little pearl beads that I got from Dollar Tree. Once all my beads were attached, I took some raffia and just made a bow, and we're going to attach that right to the top to cover up the embroidery hoop top. Once I had that glued in place, I had a gap where it needed a petal, so that's all I'm doing here is attaching another petal. Once you have all of your petals in place and you are good with the look of it, you can attach the hanger to the back, and that's all I'm doing here. This piece just really brightens up and livens up my front door, and I know it will on yours too. It is so fun, and even though I'm not a huge fan of sunflowers, I just fell in love with this piece. If you love this DIY and want to learn more creative ideas, please visit my blog at theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you so much for watching.